Sheila May Cleopas, Filipino. I'm 31 years old. My religion is Catholic. I'm married. I have 1 children. My husband work is a government employee. I have 2 brothers, 1 sister. I am the eldest in the family.
Good day to you, Miss Sheila May. How are you right now?
Good day to you, sir, madam. I'm fine.
What do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
Sir, madam, a good characteristic, responsible, honest, and hardworking.
Can you tell us the proper way in how to take care of the children?
Sir, madam, by giving them food, vitamins, take a bath, and love them as my own child.
What if you commit mistakes? What to do?
Sir, madam, I will say sorry and promise not to do it again.
Any message to your future employer?
Sir, madam, please hire me because I need this job for my children and for their education. I promise to finish my 2 years contract.
Thank you, Miss Sheila May, and good luck.
Thank you, sir, madam.